Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here to announce that I would like to do a giveaway challenge on my channel. So I've been making a lot of these IC cards, index cards, and they're 4x6 index cards. And I wanted to get some to add to my stash, and I've been wanting to do this for some time. I just haven't had a chance to do it, and I'm finally doing it. So the challenge is going to run from now to June, the beginning of June. The beginning of June, and all I want is for you to decorate an IC card, in your style. It could be anything. You could just add stuff that you love to the IC card that kind of tells me about you. You know, what you like to use on your projects: bling, pearls, die cuts, ephemera, washi tape. I mean, all kinds of stuff, you know, that we use on our projects. So, in order to be entered, you have to be 18 years and older. You have to be a subby. And new subbies are welcome, but you have to stay as a subby. And you have to be a visible subby. And also you must like this video, and I have to see it. I have to see the likes. And so there is a way to have it visible if I go on your channel. So if you need help in that, you know, please ask me down below and I'll certainly help you. So I have to see that you've liked my video, and you just have to send in an IC card. You don't have to send any goodies, you know, in addition to this. Just, this is what I really want. Just like, I know Deb is doing one, and this is kind of her card that I'm making. I have more than enough goodies to go around. Okay. So, those are the rules. I said when it was due, and so this is what I'm going to be giving away. I'm giving away a TN. Yeah, it's not handmade, but it is very good quality, and it's nice. And let me show you mine that I've put together. Real quick, like, here I have a brown one, and it feels so nice, and it's, to me, I think it's very good quality. It's not perfect, and it's probably not professionally made, but it's nice. I like it, and it is really cool. I can't wait to use this. So I'm giving away this TN, and it has a pad in there already. I'm adding in a expanding kit. It has 3 journal refills, 3 recharge journals. I guess it's for a planner. And an elastic. So it comes with all this, 6 pieces, so you can expand it to your style. I'm also giving this folder inserts, because you can never have too many pockets, because I love pockets. And then I'm going to be including these as well. And then as I go, I will put some stickers and some washi tape and just add it to this prize. Okay, so international, if you win, if you have a PayPal, I will gladly put some money on your PayPal account. I want to say about 25, okay? Because the prize is going to be worth at least $25 worth of goodies. I think that's it. So if everybody have any questions to my challenge giveaway, please leave them down below along with your comment and your like. And a VR would be great. I'm not saying that's mandatory, but if you do a VR promoting my video, that would be awesome, and we'll see how we do. So thanks everybody for watching. I can't wait to see your creations. I hope everybody can participate. I know May, June is really a busy time, especially if you have kids. I really wanted to get this done because I already reached my goal of 2,000. I would like to reach 3,000, but my date is June, the first week of June, I think. I will do an updated video later on, ending of May, just to give you a heads up. So I really hope everybody participates, or some. So if you guys are interested, please, I'll have my email down below if you don't have my address. Yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.